Hi, my name is Zoya, and I'm a university student. Every evening, after a long day of classes and studying, I finally get a chance to breathe. It's my time to unwind, reset, and prepare for a fresh start tomorrow. Let me take you through my evening routine and share the little moments that bring me peace and joy. 6 p.m. Time to unwind. As the sun sets, I finally step through the door, letting out a deep sigh of relief. I kick off my shoes, freedom, and change into my absolute favorite cozy sweater and soft pajama pants. 6:30 p.m. I head to the kitchen to cook dinner. Tonight, it's pasta with tomato sauce. Simple, but oh, so satisfying. As I chop the garlic and onions, the rich, warm aroma fills the air. 8 p.m. Cleaning up. After dinner, I wash the dishes and tidy up the kitchen. I like to keep my space clean because it helps me feel more organized and less stressed. 8:30 p.m. Relaxing with a book. With the kitchen finally spotless, I curl up on the couch with my favorite book. The second I turn the page, I'm transported to another world. The mystery novel I'm reading is so gripping. I can feel my heart racing as the suspense builds. 9:30 p.m. Preparing for tomorrow. As much as I'd love to keep reading, I know tomorrow will be smoother if I prepare now. I pack my bag, lay out my clothes, and jot down my to-do list. It's a small habit, but it makes a huge difference in how my mornings feel. 10 p.m. Bedtime routine. The final part of my evening is all about winding down. I wash my face, do my skincare routine, and brush my teeth. Then I climb into bed, feeling the day slowly fade away. Gratitude fills my heart. Today was a good day. I'm grateful for my friends, my health, and that amazing dinner. Good night, everyone. What about you? What's your evening routine like? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear. Now it's time to learn vocabulary unwind, to relax after a period of work or tension. Reset, to start fresh or prepare for a new beginning. Slip into, to quickly or comfortably put on clothes. Aroma, a pleasant smell, especially from food. Gripping, something very exciting or interesting that holds your attention. Transported, to feel like you are in another place or situation. Suspense, a feeling of excitement or nervousness about what will happen next. Jot down, to write something quickly. Gratitude, the feeling of being thankful or appreciative. Recharge, to rest and regain energy. Habit, a routine or practice done regularly.